Print them all. We're going for Diglett today, and I have a little story to tell you, so wait until the end. You'll need PolyTerra fossil grey, earth brown, pastel watermelon, cotton white, and charcoal black. Let's go for the time lapse. Look at this Diglett. Come on, it'll go very quickly. I'll take it off the support, there's only one, and I'll show you the result. Do you know the theory that might ruin your childhood? It says that Diglett doesn't have a red nose. In fact, it has a mouth with a tooth. Wait, I'll show you. Ever since I heard about this theory, I can only see it with this mouth and this little tooth. Come on, in the meantime, he's going to the shelf. He's going to inaugurate the new one because all the others are already taken. Put it there. And the next one will be Duck Trio.